Okay, guys. We just got to the police station, and I need your guys' help finding this. Well, not finding. Sorry, my mistake. A little brain fart there. Solving this mystery. And who do we have here? This little furry fellow.
It's the dog, Sammy.
Yes, this is our sister's and her husband's pet doggy named Skinny, aka Skin to Bones, aka Cinnamon. We call her Skinny because she looks skinny quite some time, all the time. It's really funny, but yeah, whatever. Okay, well, maybe she can help us too then. Okay.
Yay!
Okay, so guys, come here to my desk.
I ecstatic dinner you're gonna first time being a police dog. I guess he is happy, Emma.
Okay, so it all started on January the 10th, 2025, when I was sitting here, I was sitting here at my office, and I was working very hard, and then I was really hungry for a snack attack. So what I did was I went to the donut shop and I got a lot of yummy, Krispy Kreme donuts. And I came back here and I set the box over here. And they disappeared, vanished without a trace.
Terrible.
Yep.
Isn't it, Emma?
Yes, very terrible. Let's make this a little bit more emotional. It was a dark and stormy night. Isn't that a bit dramatic? But yes, that's what happened. Lights back on. Yeah, I was being a bit dramatic there. Anyway. So, I need help solving this mystery, finding out where my donuts went. They might be a little bit stale now after these days have passed, but I need help because, you know, police officers cannot live without their donuts. So, let me get this magnifying glass here. You can have that. You can hold my radio, Inga.
Thank you.
And I will have these keys
No
in case we find the criminal. We can arrest them and put them in the slammer.
Okay, mystery to the rescue, helping people find their lost donuts.
Yes, we will do this.
No problem at all.
We can do it. There's nothing we can't do. We can do it. I'm brave enough, strong enough. I can do it.
Yeah!
Okay. What's Skinny doing? Guys, let's follow that dog. He might be onto something.
I got you. Come here, little pet. Come here.
Ah!
Come here.
Flying people.
Come here, little doggy. Come here. This is no time for play. We gotta find the person's lost donuts. No. Come back here.
Inga, I think Skinny found a clue.
Good.
Oh, what is this?
The donuts.
Oh, it's a man.
Yes.
Hello, sir. Have you been lost?
Yeah, I can't seem to find my way home.
Oh, I see.
I see.
You see, I'm a bit blind, so I can't really see very well. I stumbled into a weird building, and I found my suitcase, and I've been trying to get home ever since.
Oh, it all makes sense now.
I get it.
You thought my box of donuts was your suitcase.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, this is not my suitcase?
No, those are my donuts.
Oh, I'm so sorry, madame. Here you go.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you so
I
much.
can put them for you.
Oh, thank you, Inga.
Yes,
It looks like Skinny saved the day.
Yes, but who can take the dinner?
I can carry her.
Okay.
Come inside, young man. We can help you.
Yeah, we can help you.
Okay,
I want you to put the donuts
let's
down.
find your suitcase.
I put the donuts back.
Oh, thank you, Inga.
Yeah.
I'll eat those later.
Okay.
What does it look like, mister?
Well, you see, my suitcase is, it looks like a man's suitcase. It's for a man. I don't buy those foo-foo, like, stinking Vera Bradley stuff. I don't buy that. That stuff, that's for the sissies. So yeah, it's right here.
Oh, we found it!
Yay!
Awesome! Okay, I'm gonna get you a ride home, okay, mister?
Oh, thank you so much.
No problem.
Yeah.
Inga, can I have my walkie-talkie, please?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, so. Here you go.
And we're gonna give Skinny the dog a special reward for helping us solve this mystery.
Yay!
Inga, grab the police hat.
Okay.
Okay, since Skinny helped us solve this mystery, and we found the, well, I wouldn't say perpetrator because he was, it was an accident and he was very nice and he gave us back the donuts. But since Skinny helped us solve this mystery, we are gonna make Skinny a police dog. Oh my goodness, Skinny's so excited!
Yay!
Okay, put the hat on Skinny.
Okay.
Yes, now Skinny can work here with me anytime she wants. And she can help me sniff out clues and mysteries.
Yay!
Yep, this is great. Oh, totally. Oh, I love it. Okay, we're gonna put you over here. And now we gotta find a way to get you home.
It's 707 314 89970. I don't know.
Oh, she's picking up. Okay, good. Hello, who is this? Hello. Are you the wife of this young man I have here at my station? What's his name?
My name is, Jack.
Oh, yes, that's him. Yes, he stumbled into my police station looking for his, suitcase, and he was trying to get home. Oh, yes, this happens a lot. I can come get him. Oh, thank you very much. Okay. The police station is just around the corner from Dunkin' Donuts, of course, and Krispy Kreme. Yes, he'll be here waiting for you. Okay, thank you so much. I'll be there very soon. Okay, bye. Bye. Mister. But first, we are going to make sure that we give Skinny a treat also for helping us solve this mystery. Because she must be very hungry from all this hard work. Okay, Skinny, sit. Very good. Here you go. Okay, let me sit over here and take care of something real quick. Sign off this paper saying that we found the donut. And I also need myself a treat because I was very frazzled over these little tiny delicious morsels. Oh yeah, baby, that is good. Do you guys want one too?
Yes.
Oh yes, please.
Yes.
I liked glazed donuts. Oh, well, let's see if we have any.
I got Jack.
Oh, Inga, which one do you want? Blue?
Yes.
Here's a glazed one.